Hello everyone. I'm really excited. I just got this Sharpal Transforod. It's kind of their mobile, lightweight sharpening kit. So let's take a look at it here. See what we get. All right, see how it looks. Oh yeah, fresh out of the box. There's the user manual. So let's see here, we got the ceramic, we got the leather. Oh, there's the angle. It's got a nice angle guide. Yeah, you just twist that. It goes all the way down to 15. You can actually dial it in on 1 degree increments. So 15 all the way up to 30 degrees. Nice. This cap, I think everything here can fit in the bottom. That's empty. That unscrews. Put that down. Ah, here's all of our. All right, so there's one of the ceramic rods. This is the 1000. There's a 325, so we can actually leave in the ceramic. So we put 1000, so that'll slide in. Ooh, right there. And those will just slide right in top, and we can screw it back down. Huh? Cool. And yeah, once those are in there, boy, those don't move. It has looks like a suede leather strip, and then a rough leather on that side, so you can put some stropping compound on those. Adjust the angle. So this, oh, it unscrews. So you can unscrew it. I guess that can stay on. Oh, cool. Stick it back in there. So right there is broadhead, wrench. Handy, bow season. I do love the bow hunt. It clips back in place. There it is. Nice little device. Really look forward to giving this a go and seeing how it works. But yeah, pretty nice. Sharpal does seem to make a great product. We'll give it a try a little later. So I'm out here. Let's see if we can't get this Sharpal 11-in-1 system a try. I'm going to use this knife right here. Again, this is duty steel, so it can be tough to sharpen. It's nice and hard. But here's where the knife is at right now. All right, slicing right through paper towel there. So let's open this up. Get it attached. Nice and hard. Cap back. All right, now I guess it's still my knife, because what's the point of a sharp knife on a test? This almost hurts. Now let's see how that did here. Let's see if I can cut the paper towel. Yeah, nothing. All right, so I got this thing set to the right angle here, so can't give it a go. Gonna have to reprofile the edge. So I am using the 350 rod for this here. There we go. I've got my burr. Yeah, good. We'll do a few more strokes on opposite sides. All right, so pretty good there. What we're going to do now is switch over to the 1000 grit. There's that. See, there's the 1000. All right, do a couple more. Bring that blade off a little. Let's see how it's feeling. Pretty smooth. Pretty sharp. All right, so let's switch it over to... Oh, dropped it. Better go get it. To the ceramic rod. After the ceramic rods, we'll use the leather strop. I don't have any stropping compound on that at the moment, but that's all right. We'll give it a go anyway. We'll do about 10 on each side for the ceramics. Yeah, we'll get a couple more. And last one. All right. Yeah, it's a nice looking edge. It's a sharp edge, so we'll strop it a few times on the bare leather. Wipe it off a little more, keep the leather. Would be better to have some compound on the strop, but we'll add that later. All right, so there's first time ever using that tool. Let's see if I got it back up to, there's my first cut. Wow. So there it is, right back up to paper towel sharp. I have to say, pretty impressive. Actually, I know Sharpal makes some great diamond bonded stones. They have 0 grit contamination. Wow, and that is without any compound on that strop too. So that's a good buy. I'll have a link to this in the comments. I would recommend you buy it if you're looking for a small compact device to sharpen a knife out in the field. Like I said, this again is D2 steel, so it can be tough to sharpen without those diamonds on there. I think it was about $35 on Amazon if I wasn't mistaken. Yeah, pretty impressive tool. One thing it also has in there, which I haven't really done a whole lot with, is the I'll pull that out. It's kind of the pin sharpener right there. It'll do your fish hooks. You can kind of see the groove there, so it'll do fish hooks, and that'll also do a serrated blade. That feels to be probably about, just going by feel, probably about 1,000 grit. Device right there, it's probably about 1,000 grit. Anyhow, yeah. Very impressive tool. I like it a lot, and also like the angle guides that are built into it. So yeah, like I said, link to this will be in the comments. You can pick one up on Amazon if you're looking for a compact tool that will sharpen a knife and take it from dull to just paper towel sharp.